What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. As most of you will know, here in South Africa, in Gauteng, South Africa, we have been in lockdown for the last 2 weeks and the president is speaking tomorrow night. And I have this sneaky suspicion he's just going to extend it for another 2 weeks, which means no more gyms, no restaurants, no nothing for 2 more weeks. So I've decided, you know what, screw this. I'm going to start bulking. And what a perfect way to start it than me eating nothing but fast food for the whole day. This is probably this year the third time I'm having takeout, and McDonald's, this is probably the first time in a year or two that I've had it. Every time I try to cheat, I always go for things like pizza or Burger King or all of those stuff, but never McDonald's. So yeah, we'll stop there soon and then I'll update you guys on what I'm having. Alright, is how many times a week do you have takeout? Because obviously, as we all know, in the fitness industry, is you can't have it, I think, more than once a week at best. So how many times do you have, and what is your preferred cheat meal? Because obviously I have mine, so I want to hear about yours. With a Coke, yes. How long is this gonna take? Fast food joint. Hello. Yeah, give me 5 seconds, my man. We are having a Big Mac large meal. Before I get any messages portraying that I am sending out the wrong message or anything, obviously the things I'm doing in this video I do not recommend at all. If you're a bodybuilder trying to lean down or just trying to get into shape, I do not recommend you do this at all. I do not support this. This is for entertainment purposes and for the video only. Obviously tomorrow I'll also be back on diet again, because yeah, to eat like this, I don't know anyone will be able to do it. But let's enjoy. Alright guys, just to hand you guys a quick review on McDonald's. The one problem I always have with them, it is when you eat their stuff, it's exactly like chewing wind. I can easily do 3 of these and be semi-full. So I'm gonna rate this one a solid 7 out of 10. Ding, baby, that's where we're headed right now. Probably under most people's top 3 fast foods ever. So I'm just gonna drive there. I just went for the new Texas Barbecue Bacon King. Just a medium meal, and that's all I'm gonna have, because after this we are meeting up with my friend Spice Gold Aesthetics for a nasty garage workout. What a meal. If I compare this to the absolute wind I had this morning, this is 10 times more filling, more satisfying, and is easy a 9 out of 10 by far and out. Okay guys, we're on our way to boy Mr. Spice Gold, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm starting to feel it. I don't know how, because there are a few people who eat like this every single day, but we're gonna eat a back workout as far as I know it, but we'll just confirm as soon as I get there. Go and get the last meal of the day, which is gonna be pizza, and then I'm just gonna sleep, and tomorrow I'm just gonna cardio my ass off just to get everything back on track again. So I'll see you guys. What up, my boy? Family, I'm joined here by my close friend Mr. Spice, Ian Spice Gold Aesthetics, and we're going to be hitting a back session today. But first we're gonna funnel some pre-workout. We do not recommend you do this at all, but we are gonna do it, and then we're gonna get into a serious back session.
Wait. This is Spike For anyone who doesn't know what this is one of the hardest hitting energy drinks that you can have. And this is NPL Pre-Ignite Concentrated Pre-Workout. Also one of the hardest hitting pre-workouts, hold that please for me. Because we're gonna hopefully not die. Woo! Okay. Down the hatch! Whoa, it's done! Go! That's almost. We might.
Yo.
Oh, it's exciting. Sweet mommy.
Yeah!
What's that?
Update for you guys. We're going to be doing 8 sets of just these. I don't know how heavy this is because obviously it's a garage workout. I can't hand you exact weights and stuff, so we're just going to be hitting this for 8 sets of max reps. Yeah. My heart is on fire from doing whatever it is. Yeah, what he's doing now, I also feel that way, but never in your life funnel those stuff because it feels like my heart is about to burst through my chest. Are we gonna roll that? Oh, I'm going. Let's see it.
Don't pee. You can see it. Don't pee.
I can't be.
Don't bend over matter.
Cold showers for the win, baby.
Promise, I do believe my penis is inside of me right now.
This size.
Oh, you're
Absolutely this size.
lucky.
Lucky.
Put your whole body in the water. Come on, come on, come on.
Mind. Alright, family. Now that concludes today's utter Satanism of a workout, and we can call this an ice bath. Say thanks to my friend there, Spies. Mr. Spies there. And I will officially check you guys back at home.
Finish your puppet.
Okay, family, I just basically almost died there. I'm not even joking. When we funneled that pre-workout, I thought I was dying because my heart was on fire. We're on our way now just to get some Roman's pizza. That is going to be my last meal. I don't feel like eating this at all. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm just going to order a large or whatever. But yeah, yes, because I'm so nauseous to the point where I don't even know. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we have our last meal. Guys, I am absolutely fucked, and it's the truth. But yes, it was probably because we funneled pre-workout and an energy drink, which is a no-no, so don't do it. Alright. But I have a large 4-in-1 pizza right here. This is how we look, bloated, watery. I don't even know how to flex for you guys to know, to see. I think it's only gonna be worse tomorrow morning. We are all cleaned up and ready for the rest of the night because I'm gonna do absolutely zilch. I'm just gonna put on a movie, chill out, and then pass out because this has been a long day. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this, please do leave a like, comment, and if you are still watching by now, just leave in the comments OG, because that is exactly what you are. And then obviously subscribe, because I know you watched the whole video, why not? I'll check you in the next one. Stay absolutely dangerous. Bye. Peace.